is Rina from Pack. Today, I will show you the 550W mold, the process of our engineer to test the powder material before shipment. Let's go to see the detailed information.
This machine has braking function. The low cell imported from France and it is accurate and stable. The packing specification is 1 to 25 kilograms. The packing speed reaches 3 to 8 packs per minute. And the packing accuracy is 0.3 to 1%. It is made of stainless steel 304 and can also be customized with 316L material. If you are interested in our machine or our company, please contact us for more information.